Okay, I thought these problems, since they're commonly missed problems, I'd just do a video just to make it clear to you. We did these coin problems before, but they're probably a little bit harder this year, so I have to keep that in mind. Coin problems have nickels and dimes, so we're going to need two variables. We're going to have our number of nickels and our number of dimes. If we have two variables, we need two equations. And you always have, for the coin problems, you're going to have one equation is going to have to do with the value of the coin. So like a nickel is worth 5 cents, a dime is worth 10 cents. They're going to equal the total value, or 575. And you also have the number of items equations. So let's do our two equations. The nickels and dimes add up to $5.75. So we move our decimal point over too, so we don't have to deal with decimals. So instead of 0.05, we just say 5 number of nickels plus 10 number of dimes equals 575. And then we have our number of items. We just counted the coins on the table. The number of nickels plus the number of dimes without any value would equal 70. Solve these simultaneously by multiplying the bottom one by -10. So we get 5 number of nickels plus 10 number of dimes equals 575. -10, multiply everything by -10, minus 10 number of dimes equals -700. Add those together, these eliminate, so you get -5 number of nickels equals -125. The number of nickels equals 25. All they ask for is how many were nickels, so you don't have to find the number of dimes. Okay, onward. These are some of my favorite problems. We're going to find the equation of a line that passes through a point parallel to this line. The equation you need to know is the point slope form, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. The x1, y1 is your actual number you fill in. The one without subscripts you just leave in. Okay, so we have our point. Remember, this is our point slope form. So in order to use it, you need a point and a slope. So we have our point. Our point is 2, 2. That's easy enough. And that's your x1, y1. Let me just make sure that it's that easy. That's a point. Yep. And your slope, if it's going to be parallel to a line, that means it's going to have the same slope as the line it's parallel to. So if one line slopes this way, and its slope is -3/7, the line parallel to it's going to have the same slope. So our slope for our formula is going to be the same as the slope of the one that's going to be parallel to, but it's going to cross the y-axis at a different point. So our slope again is going to be -3/7. So we just plug those in. Y minus y1, it's right here, 2, equals m, -3/7, times x minus x1, which is 2. And we just get the y by itself. Y equals -3/7 x plus 6/7 plus 2. And we just combine those things. Y equals -3/7 plus 6/7, this would be 14/7. 14/7, so it would be 27. And hopefully that's the right answer. I guess I will check it just to make sure. 19, that is perfectly correct. I forgot my x though. There you go. So hopefully that helped you find an equation of a line that passes through a point and is parallel to a given line.